Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to shoot a video about the two lipsticks. The one is from Huda Beauty in the shade of Gossip Girl, and another is from Nykaa matte liquid lipstick and the shade is Gul. So I will show two of the lipsticks. So this is from the Huda Beauty and the shade is Gossip Girl, and this is Gul. So I don't want to waste much of your time with swatching all these two lipsticks, so I have already swatched beforehand. So my upper lip is from Huda Beauty and the lower one is from Nykaa. So I'm going to give you a closer view how exactly it looks very similar, and this Nykaa is an exact dupe of this Huda Beauty. So coming to the price range, as you most of you must be knowing, like Huda Beauty is priced at 1650 rupees, and this Nykaa is priced at 600 rupees. And the Huda Beauty generally they do not give any discount, but the Nykaa one they usually in occasions, and they often give discounts. Like recently they were giving a flat 25% discount. So I also purchased, like since it was launched, just after launching I purchased it at a market price only. So I got it around for 600 rupees, but now you can get it at a flat 25% discount, that is 449 rupees. So you can see how how very similar, like exactly it looks similar. The both lipsticks are very similar, and I would say like they are exactly similar. So coming to the quality texture wise, I want to review with all of you. So first is Huda Beauty. So I purchased a year back and I used to apply. This is one of my favorite shade. I used to apply on daily basis, and what happened exactly is, like after like 1 month I started having white patches on my upper lips, and it was mainly due to this lipstick, because I at that time, since it was my favorite one, and it was very long lasting, and since it is liquid lipstick and it was very lightweight too, and so I started using it daily, and since I was not using any other lipsticks, so this patches was due to that only. Even though I applied used to apply Vaseline on, and then I used to apply this lipsticks, but then also I got the white patches. So and then I stopped applying this lipsticks. Then again I switched back to my previous ones, like Maybelline, L'Oreal and this Lakme and all. So my patches were gone, and the lips were again in the proper shape and everything. So this is the issue which I faced with Huda Beauty lipstick. So this was a very good brand, and it was very disappointing for me. I did not expect this thing from high-end brand, this lipsticks. So this was very disappointing for me. Number one. Number two, like coming to the staying power, it stays for about 7 to 8 hours, but yes, like in between the meals it do fade away in between, and like on the edges, so I have to reapply it. Even though if you don't reapply, you will have a tint on your lips. Yes, so this is a very beautiful, as you can see, like both are very beautiful pink shade, and this is not that too gaudy on your lips, and you can easily wear on daily basis. So that is why I just preferred this lipstick from Huda Beauty. But nowadays I don't apply it on daily basis. Like I only wear it on occasions. If you wear it on occasions, it's okay, you will not have white patches. But if you have got sensitive skin like me, I didn't know, like my skin is sensitive, but I didn't know like my lips are also that sensitive as that of my skin, because I have never faced such situation with other lipsticks. So like people, like if you have experienced similar situations, to comment, to share with me the similar, like if you have faced any similar situations like me before. So coming to the Nykaa one, so I did not expect that this lipstick would be that good, as before purchasing this lipstick, I went through the reviews of the YouTubers and found like this is also transfer proof and kiss proof lipstick and long lasting lipstick. So I wanted to have an experience of that. So my experience with this lipstick is that it's very lightweight, and it does not transfer, and nor it is kiss. It is very lightweight, and it's a kiss proof lipstick. Yes, if you drink coffee or any drink, this do not transfer, and trust me, it is really a very long lasting lipstick. And the secondly primarily is that I did not face any issue with my lips as I did with the Huda Beauty. So I have been applying it daily, because this color I found it very similar, exactly the one from Huda Beauty. So you can think like, so I started applying daily, and I did not have any complaint till date. So guys, if you think of purchasing any lipstick like uh, from Huda Beauty, so think twice, because if you have got a sensitive skin like me, then please don't purchase Huda Beauty. And I want to know from you all, like, if you have faced similar situation before, this kind of patches, because I have before purchasing Huda Beauty, I have gone through several reviews from the YouTubers and all, so I have got a very positive review. None of the YouTubers have spoken about this experience. Might be like they haven't faced a situation before, so but for me my experience was very bad with the Huda Beauty ones. So thank you friends for watching this video, and if you like my video, then do like this video. And if you do not like this, so do not like, press by pressing this button, and if you like it, you can press by this button, and then you can subscribe it. You can subscribe my channel, though you will not get much updates that frequently, so I hardly post any videos. And also like my also share with your friends. It's a kind of awareness with this particular brand. So if you or any of your friends is thinking of purchasing Huda Beauty, then they can get cautious about this situation, and then invest in such high-end products like Huda Beauty. Thanks, bye bye, have a good day, stay at home, stay safe, and till then, bye bye, good night.